Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Joe Thompson, the founder of this YouTube channel. Actually, in this video I'll be sharing some information on how to start affiliate marketing. Is this your first time of seeing my video? Is this your first time of coming across this video or this channel? I will highly recommend you subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping some vital informations. Well, many people have been asking me how does affiliate marketing work and what is the benefit? So many questions. But in this video series, I'm going to make this a 3 or 4 video series. I'm going to be explaining how to go from point A to point C, D on affiliate marketing. Well, affiliate marketing, to define affiliate marketing, is a process whereby you as Mr. B, you go to Mr. A, which is the owner of this company or the creator of this product. You take the link of that product or that services, you flip it to Mr. C or D or E. So when they buy that product, Mr. A is going to pay you commission. The only job you are going to do there is to take that link, that is called affiliate link, send it to Mr. A or B to make those commissions. Amazon have affiliate commission, ClickBank have affiliate commission. There are so many networks, so many companies will pay you for being their affiliate. Why? Because they cannot go out and be looking for customers to come and buy their product or their services. But you being as a middleman, being as the affiliate, you can get those links, send it to those people or introduce those people to them. That way you become an affiliate. There are so many companies and so many networks whereby you will go. They need people, smart people, to be their affiliate. So if this is your first time of seeing this video, subscribe to this video because subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping more videos ahead. Okay, next question is, what is affiliate marketing? Like I've defined before, it's a process of whereby you go to Mr. A, you get Mr. A product, you flip it to Mr. B, Mr. C, Mr. D, Mr. E. You make those commissions. Another example is going to a place like this, Amazon. When you go to Amazon, let's say you're on a cooking niche, you love cooking, right? And whenever you cook, you post the picture of what you cook, or the picture of the food you like, or the picture of what you eat outside. You can go to Amazon, get this affiliate link to this product right now. Go to all those social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Send people, your friends, send the links out. Oh, check out this spot. When I use this pot to cook this food, this pot was so nice and it cooked so well. It didn't stick on the pot. My food didn't stick on the pot. Just say good things about the pot, about this pot. People will try to go and check it out, right? When they go to check it out, when they like the pot and buy that pot, this is Amazon. Everybody know Amazon, one of the biggest billion-dollar company in the world. They are going to pay you commission for introducing those customers to them. So there are so many places. That you will go and become the affiliate. That is for the second question. Then the third question is how to start affiliate marketing step by step. Well, like I promised, in this video series, I'll be taking you step by step how to the finish point, how to start affiliate marketing. There are so many people who don't even know what to do. I'll be showing you on this video series how to create your account on different networks, how to go get the affiliate links, then how to set them, how to market it for you to make those commissions. I don't have any link below this video right now for this. It's just an intro to this video series. So that is how to. I'll be taking you step by step. From my second video, I'll be taking you step by step how to start this affiliate marketing. Then the fourth question here is, when should I start affiliate marketing? When you should start affiliate marketing, I would say start right now. Because if you have the time, so many of us have Facebook, so many of us have Twitter, so many of us have Instagram, Pinterest. You post your pictures right there, right? You post videos. Whatever stories you have, you share it with your friends, right? That particular time, most guys are doing that. Some smart guys, some smart people like us are using that same time to be sending those links too. So if you are just posting only on Facebook posting pictures and videos on Instagram, on Pinterest or tweeting, you are wasting double time of your life because you are not doing nothing. You know, nobody want to hear your story. People just want to see and believe. People believe in success. What have you achieved? So when you achieve something and say, oh, I have this, I have this, like I'm making this video with my laptop right now. On my fourth or coming videos, I will be making it with direct camera, right? I could say to you, oh, this camera is so good. When I have this this function, this is the functionality, this is good, right? I will recommend this camera to my followers on YouTube, on Facebook, or on Instagram, or on Pinterest, right? When they buy this camera, I'm going to make commission from it. So you should be smart. When you should start? When are you watching this video right now? Today? Start today. If you see this video next 2 months to come, start that same very day you see this video. Start affiliate market. It's worth doing it. Right? Don't just waste all your time for nothing. You know? Why should I start? Well, another question. Why should I start affiliate marketing? To me, I would say everybody you see on this earth has need. Everybody. It's either you need car, you need house, you want to take care of your family, you want to take care of your kids, your wife. You have needs, right? And if you are working 9 to 5 hour job and you're not making enough money, your family need vacation, right? How would you do that? Your kids need things, right? Toys, right? How would you do that if you are not making enough? So for my suggestion, I would say it's worth doing. Just start when you see this video. And if there's anything you have to ask, just drop your comment on my comment section. I will reply to every video after 1 hour that I post this video. So next question, what should I expect from affiliate marketing? To me, I will say there are 2 things you should expect: the good and the bad. The good part of it is it's worth doing affiliate marketing. I will say it's the easiest part of online business, or to become an entrepreneur is the easiest part. One, because you are not creating the product, or you are not creating the software, or you are not making the physical product, right? You are just in the middle. So it is the easiest part. Just take your link, send to people, they buy, you make commissions, right? That is the easiest part. You can do dropshipping too. I do dropshipping too, but I will tell you that affiliate marketing is the easiest part. The only thing that is holding you back from doing affiliate marketing is you. When you open up to yourself and say, look, I'm not going to continue this way, I'm going to do something, and I'm going to do something right now, I will say, as soon as you made that comment, follow it up, back it up with your actions. The only people who will say, I cannot make it, is people who quit on themselves before they even start. So the no part of it is, what should you expect, good or bad? Let me then put it this way. I've said the good part. The bad part is you expect living the kind of life you are living. If you are living a broke life, you continue to live broke. That is the bad part of it. But for me, I would say the good part of it is what you should go for. Lastly is, how much do I need to start? Affiliate marketing, it does not need money, it does not need any upfront to start affiliate marketing. But I will advise you, the only money you need is your time. If you can make out time, create content that people will enjoy, create content, valuable content, then send them the link, send them any link for them to purchase or any item from you. That is the only time or money I will say you invest on affiliate marketing. Apart from that, I don't see there's no money upfront when you are doing affiliate marketing. Unlike when you are doing dropshipping too, you don't need any upfront. You only send people, or let's put it this way: if you are advertising on your goods or your services on Facebook or on Instagram or on Twitter, if you have a large number of followers, you don't need any upfront. Just recommend your services to them, or your product to them, or your item to them, right? Because they trust you, they are following you, they are going to buy from you. But if you are just starting, you don't have any clue on how to build followers. After this video, I'm going to be dropping more videos on how to build followers on YouTube, how to build followers on Instagram, how to build followers, how to build all this social media, how to build followers, so that you will have more people who trust you. But above all, you have to be dropping valuable content all the time. You don't just come and give people some piece of crap and ask them to go and check it out or to go and buy it. Nobody cares. So you have to drop valuable content for people to follow you. I think that is the only explanation I have for those who are willing or who are eager to start affiliate marketing. Follow me on this channel, subscribe to my channel. My next video is coming very soon, very soon. On that next video, I'm going to take you to a network called ClickBank. After we are done with ClickBank, on the third video, I'm going to take you to a place called Amazon. Everybody know Amazon. Everybody hear about Amazon. They are $1 billion company, right? I'm going to take you to Amazon, how to sign up from Amazon, how to get affiliate link, and how to become an affiliate on Amazon. Then, on the last video, I am going to take you to a company where you can sell software like any software to build any website. I'm going to show you how to get those links, how to start from there too. So you have to combine all together to become super affiliate. Then previous video that will come next will be in another topic, but right now I'm doing this based on affiliate marketing, how to start affiliate marketing, how to go from point A, B, C, D, and henceforth. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe. See you on my next video. Peace.